Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Root and Tam Philippine Adventure. Today we will make a very soft fluffy Spanish bread. So all the ingredients here, and I can put also the ingredients on the description. We have milk here, and of course our active yeast, then the sugar. This is all the first step for making all this one, and the rest is for the dough. So we will do the yeast mixture. First you put the active yeast on the lukewarm water, including the sugar. Mix it well and set aside until this mixture will rise up. So in a bowl, put the egg, beat this one, and add the melted butter. And add your salt. Make sure that the salt is dissolved, and add the sugar. Mix it well. And you can add your flour. You can use you can make this dough without stand mixer or without hand mixer, and then you add your yeast mixture. If you don't have a hand mixer or a stand mixer, you can use spatula to mix it this one, but I'm using my hand mixer to make this one. You just knead this one until the dough it will smooth and elastic. So since the hand mixer is too sticky for the dough, so we will knead this using our hands. So if you don't have stand mixer, it's easy also for you to make this kind of bread. It's easy, just knead this one until it soft and elastic dough. So once your dough it's look like this, it's elastic, so you add cooking oil on the, or vegetables oil on the bowl, so that your dough will not stick when we will set this one until the dough is double. So just rub all on the side, then roll your dough and rub some on the dough all over, then or make this like a ball. So we will just cover this with a cling wrap or clean towel in your kitchen. Then we will just wait this until the dough will be double size. So while waiting for the dough to rise up, so we will just make first our filling. Put the salted butter and the brown sugar. You can use light brown sugar, and make sure that your butter is already soft in room temperature. And I will transfer this for the bigger bowl because I forget that we still have another ingredients to pour on. And add your milk, condensed milk, and mix it together. Then you can add your breadcrumb. Then your all-purpose flour. And the last time ingredients for these fillings is your heavy cream, or you can use all-purpose cream. Mix this well. Once it's look like this, we will just set this aside and we will check our dough if it's double already, so that we can use this later. So our dough now is raised up already. It's double size, so we will just use our hands to release the air. Then we will transfer this on the flat surface. And you can put some oil or flour on the surface so that your dough will not stick on it. Then cut this dough in half. And the first half, you divide it according what size you want for your Spanish bread. So once it's done cutting, you can make this like a bowl, or you can use a dough like this, or you can use your hands, make it roll on the surface so that it will become like circle. It depends on you what easy you can do to make the dough circle. You can do it like this. It depends on you. So we will just cut this all and make this circle. Then we can put fillings inside on this one. So this time we will put fillings inside our Spanish bread, but first we will form this as like a flat. You will use the rolling pin on this one, make it like this way. And using this tablespoon, scoop some amount of fillings, but make sure that the fillings you put inside is not too much for the dough of your Spanish bread, because it will come out on the side. Lip and side, it's open, so it will come out the fillings there. It's look like this, see? So make sure that you put enough amount of the fillings for your Spanish dough. because once your fillings is over on the dough, it's difficult for you to lock because it's slippery. Yeah, so make sure that the fillings inside you put is enough for your Spanish bread. So we'll do a process, same thing. We just repeat the process, and we will, on the second part of this, what I'm doing is I pour enough amount of fillings so that it's easy for us to seal each side of your Spanish bread. So don't put too much. So just roll it like this way and make sure that it's tight, and you can press on the side too and roll like that and lock. Just press some so it will not open. Then you just push it down and going inside so that the fillings will not come out when you bake this one. So you just repeat process and roll it on the breadcrumbs. And of course, while doing this one, make sure that you prepared already your baking pan with glacing paper or kitchen paper. Then just repeat the process until all done. So here now we're all done making this process. So we will cover this with a clean towel and we will wait that it will be double sized. Then we can bake it for 18 minutes. So see, like this, once it's double sized you can bake it. Then after 18 minutes you have your freshly baked Spanish bread. So it's fluffy and you will not regret making this one. Even if it's 2 days already, it's still soft. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit likes and comment.